Cold winter mornings are here. One or the other was falling sick, so I decided to make a herb tonic. Hi, I'm Nashath. Welcome to my vlog. This is my mini herb garden. You could see the omam leaves. I have some basil and some rosemary. I packed some for my friend, and weather wasn't kind enough today for the evening school pickup.
This house, this.
My umbrella turned the other way and it was flying. Me and my son, we are wet today. It's high time that I make up the herb tonic. Hello guys, so I'm going to do kashayam today. It's made up of very simple ingredients: 2 cups of water, a rind of ginger, handful of omam or karpooravalli leaves, along with basil leaves. Any kind of basil you can get it. It's Indian one or Thai basil, whatever available you can buy and have it. That I'm crushing. Just crush and drop it. Add 1.5 teaspoon of whole coriander, 3 whole peppercorn, and 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Give it a mix and let it get boiled for 7 minutes and slightly get reduced. They are reduced now and we can switch it off.
Yes, it's away. Daddy, look there.
Golden tonic is ready to be consumed. Those who have cold, cough, throat pain, they can give it a try. Take care. Meet you in another vlog. Thanks for watching.